How to prank it up. So you want to know how to prank? I have a few prank ideas for you to pull on St. Patrick's Day. Check them out. Let's get a bowl of cereal and some green food coloring. This is perfect for your brother, your sister, your mom, or whatever. Just throw some green food coloring at the bottom of the bowl. Then you're gonna hide it, camouflage that green food coloring with cereal. So for the prank, all that's required for the prank is for them, themselves, to pour their own white milk into their bowl of cereal, but that green food coloring at the bottom transforms the milk, turns it green. Oh, that's so gross. Look at that milk, it's green. If you want to have some fun on St. Patrick's Day, get yourself some green food coloring, and you can just carry this around. Just don't put on any clothes or anything that's gonna stain, because you don't want to like ruin somebody's property over a prank, but you just want to have some fun. Like for example, you guys are at a restaurant, get your green food coloring out. Maybe you got a sandwich or something. Quickly open up the sandwich when your friend's in the bathroom or not paying attention. Get some of this green food coloring. You can put it on a napkin. I'm using a Q-tip. You can even use your finger if you want to, whatever. But then just kind of smear this green food coloring on their food, okay? So they make it look like it's spoiled or moldy or nasty or something's wrong with it. Oh yeah, that bottom looks even better actually. Wow, look at that. Put it on the bottom. This looks way better. I would probably just put it on the bottom instead of the top. Especially if they saw the sandwich being made. It's kind of silly to put it on the top because they obviously saw the top, but they didn't see the bottom. That looks gross. Would you eat this? Even after I know it's food coloring, I still don't even want to eat it because look at that. Oh, that is nasty. Okay, this is the last one. It brings us to the bathroom. Right there is the toilet. You got your green food coloring. I would say go to every single toilet in the house, okay? Right here, lift up the back and just dump all the food coloring inside. You want this toilet to be really green when it flushes. Now when you flush the toilet, boom, it's all green. Green toilets on St. Patrick's Day. Still green. Oh, yeah, it felt good. April Fool's Day is around the corner. Go to prankkits.com. Get your prank stuff ready to prank your friends and family on April Fool's Day. My favorite one, though, is the chip can. That's right, you open it up, and a 3-foot giant spring snake comes out of that can. You can put this thing in Pringles cans and something else as well. Shock pens, always fun. Shock your friends and family. Rubber snakes, freak them out. Spiders. April Fool's Day, are you ready? Give this video a thumbs up and leave your St. Patrick's Day prank ideas in the comments below. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time.